Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw an iPhone while we learn Spanish. We draw a vertical rectangle that in Spanish is said rectángulo. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. Marker in Spanish is rotulador. Let's draw the camera. Camera in Spanish is cámara. This is a very easy drawing. Easy in Spanish is fácil. This is the logo, is an apple, that in Spanish is said manzana. These are the buttons to turn the display on and off. Buttons in Spanish is botón. Now we use the gray color, that is said gris. By the way, mobile phone in Spanish is teléfono móvil. If you like the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing!